abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe segudwini
Salivonani and Happy New Year. Still a Happy New Year because this is 2026 and this is the first episode of Enkundleni Exclusive Khona lapha at Deb 3 Studios. Guys, it's been an exciting year. 2025 has been quite exciting and we're looking forward to an exciting 2026. Enkundleni Exclusive izabe iliphathele ezimnandi, ezibabayo, ezi-entertainayo, ezile controversy, you know, as informative, you know, all the issues that matter are discussed here at Enkundleni Exclusive, brought to you by Deb 3 Events, your partner in events planning and media management. So guys, siyakwazi kulabanye abalama 2026 resolutions. Baplanile kulabanye abaplan ukuchata noma abachata labo bengakabatholi kube labanye abaplan ukuchata belabo bokuchata labo, you know, business events, all kind of events. Deb 3 lakho ukuthi kuphathise social, family, church, corporate, you know, NGOs, you name it. You can get in touch with Deb 3 Events for your videography, photography, PA system, DJing, stage hire, MCing. Kukhona konke khona lapha at Deb 3 Events. And also labana abaplane ukusinika music, abaplane ukusinika entertainment, ikhona a rehearsal space, ikhona studio services, kuthiwa yini nxa sebepheka laphana, mastering
or phehling bonding.
It's mastering. So you can get in touch with Deb 3 Events khona lapho kuma contacts aku screen. My name is Nondudu Zongcube and ngihamba lo General Leslie. Guys, we're excited to be back.
Yeah, we're excited to be back. Hello, Salbonani. Welcome to the Mango Month. Yes, it all comes together with mangoes, paraffin mangoes, puru mangoes, small mangoes, big mangoes. This is the slogan for the month. Don't suffer alone, my friend. Come and eat mangoes. Sharing is caring. Abahlale emafletini, visit us in our it's a yard. And mina endlini le 3 izihlahla zemango. If you need mangoes, let's just mango. So
sorry to interrupt you. Can I give you an idea of making money? I saw it somewhere. Uyakwazi ukuthi kule nto kuthiwa ngumfusho wamamengo.
But khona manje entrepreneurship yami beqaliswa on the wrong place.
Dried mangoes.
Imagine madoda intenza umengo lo xawuxawu.
Imali isithutha awazi.
Imali lana manje isithutha ngendlela ehlaniphile. Imagine usithengisela umfusho abantu bakobulawa umfusho wemango kuzomenta ama tourist.
Have you not seen dried mangoes in supermarkets?
Supermarket bafuna lawana hloliyo izihlahla kade zihlatshwa amajekiseni. Isihlahla sabe sithelelwa umcebo. Right, like I always say, this episode is powered by Ogutlet Designs. Since Gudala, we've been with Ogutlet Designs. They've got the best graphics in town. If you need cap printing, t-shirt printing, posters, banners, whatever that you may need that has to do with graphic designing and marketing, make sure you contact Ogutlet Designs Izolo, and they are here to serve you. If you move with that, mango, no positive. I can't generally post our mangoes for sale, dried mangoes.
Anyway, so ungachonela ngama-mango nyakwazi khanya ngama-mango
Nsuti, I don't know.
Can you give us a recap about 2025?
2025.
I'm giving you 1 minute.
1 minute
Yes.
to recap 2025.
Yes.
All right, perfect. 2025. Interesting year. I think the last time that we were here was second week of December.
Yes.
Yeah, so December was an interesting month. We had AMA awards. We had 2 awards khonapha koBulawayo. And I think the highlight for December was 20 December. 20 December was pegged. Everything was just there. Abortions, some giving birth, some dying, some resurrecting. You know, 20 December was the day. It should be recorded as a national day. So this is what happens 20 December. 20 December with the Bulawayo Arts Awards, where Leslie had 0 awards out of 2 nominations. Well done, my boy. You did very well. Well done. But we had a successful award ceremony. I don't know, Uno will say something else, but well, we had something at the end of the day. But afternoon we were Gumapraka, and Amaprakas were interesting crowd. I think you see what is important ekhaya, and so kwakule power barungela kitch. But it was interesting. We had fun. We enjoyed Gumapraka, new faces that ababe win ama award, and it was interesting. Then the controversial one, the Nkulumane election.
The results were expected and unexpected. So they were surprising and not surprising, because you'll find, looking on social media, you'll find a lot of people were expecting the winner to win. But abanye abanjengami babefisela ukuthi uMadlela wine, and abantu bakhetha aphuma ama
It's
results.
social media ile risk. Like I always say, I'm sorry to start ngokukhuluma lokho. And you remember the Noluntu incident? You remember how many people were saying boycott Nexus? And bonke karesi basegroupini yokuperforma kuma open mic ngama Wednesday eNexus. Social media.
Nxa usukhuluma ngento leyana, we need to know these people so that we know who are straight people. I'm not saying it's wrong to perform at Nexus, but ungabi hypocrite.
Yes.
Stand for what you stand for.
And that was my point.
With your whole chest. If you say Nexus, no, we don't want to see you associating yourself with Nexus. If you say Nexus, yes, because I know Nexus.
No, like I said, even when this whole trend was going on, I said it and I'll say it again. Kulabantu abahotspot-ayo ukuthi wena karesi ungaposta ukuthi bakithi ukudla kwakonando sakho mnandi, umuntu engazakagcobe yathi yo endosisilabana nyabazonda because kulosiso hlala ekazi osebenza enando sajayela umbone edlu. So kulabantu abahotspot-ayo phela ama energies. Karesi ungathiwa sesiya ngale sebegijima lapho sebesiya khona ngale, sesiya ngale sebegijima lapho sebesiya khona ngale. Then ubezuzibalo lezi manje abesithi
we might look at this as a small thing, but that's why most of our people are brandless.
Yeah.
I will a brand because asikwazi lokuthi ungubani. Who are you? What do you stand for? What are you, a principled person? We don't even know whether we can trust you or not.
Yeah, true.
Umuntu uthi the next time we yellow, the next time we green, the next time we red, asakwazi ama colors akho iwapi.
Yeah.
So we might look at this as a small thing, but it's actually something that hurts a brand.
Yeah.
You don't
That
build
is
a
if
brand like
ngakule
that.
brand, because abanye I think bago gap here. They're looking for jobs and bethi imsebenzi babe beku art. Mina personal. Mina no. Irregardless of what happens, I think it will take me 870% courage to insult a brand. It will take me a lot. But I've seen, especially guys on social media, it's easy for them to just throw insults. Akakhangeli like ama consequences, and we expect ukuthi uzasayinwa maybe ngama companies kumbe ama brand alohlonzi, and siyaqhubeka silokho sisenzela ongama company konke ukuthi sizigqoze $5 ama advert instead of us upgrading. If you go to Harare, I was in Harare the last week of January. I came back on the last week of December. Came back on the 31st of December. Uyaphoza ukuthi sonxa lihlezi so kuthi amakomedeni akobulawa sebuyile so lilayinile so limelele umjova so ezinye zithutsha ngemoto. They've branded those guys. Esabe singabazi abanye bakhona.
Some are rented cars.
but bale
There's
ability
no harm
bale
in renting
ability
a car.
yokurenta at least for starters.
Okay.
It shows ukuthi vele vision yabo vele iphezulu. Ungabona umuntu esekwazi ukuthi imota iyarenta nxa nisiya ku-event. Kuthi isithi vele usecabanga ahead vele.
So Leslie, I think if we talk about that, we might end up finishing the entire episode.
It's not for
the
today.
recent issue indaba kaSkhosana, because if you guys saw the recent, Skhosana is trended yet again, and
Skhosana, I think is celebrity.
well, the good thing about Skhosana ukuthi he doesn't only trend for the bad things. He trends ngengoma zakhe, abese trenda ngezitori zakhe ezingekho. Umanager wakhe usemkhalele. The latest manager. Uzothomba ibizo lakhe.
Yeah, yena lo. That was coming though.
Usemkhalele, and well, allegedly it's not him who said that.
Yeah.
Kuthiwa he is Skhosana is difficult to work with.
No, that was coming. You know, it takes me slightly back to what we're talking about now. And ukuthi yena ngesikhathi esithi sensayine uSkhosana, they did not start on the right foot, to be fair. Kwakuyilokhana ukuthi wena phela ngalo yotshontshe lwethu sobuya ngapha.
That's what I was.
And
I
into
think
kwakhona
I
vele
mentioned
ukujayela
it.
ngokuya
I think I
khatshana
mentioned
because
I mentioned it episode esakhuluma
Yes,
ngakho ukuthi some people are supporting Skhosana to prove a point.
yeah.
That's not how you
No,
start a
no.
project. That's not how you start a project. Nxa kuthiwa laphana ku-project planning kuthiwa ama-aims akho, aims, goals. If your aim is to prove a point to someone,
Plus uSkhosana mina I think ibangamhluphi ngezinto zokuthi kuthiwa yeye uyamanager yeye what. Abikele umdala sihlabelele ingoma yakhe kuphela. Ahlabele kuphela because nxa sisifuka ummanager sisifuka umbrand madoda umdala semdala already and yena ukholisa ukuzihlabelela ingoma zakhe ngekatala.
it's
So
funny.
to try and discipline him ngendlela ye-brand ukuthi Skhosana karesi ungakhulumi lokhu, Skhosana karesi ungayenzi lokhu. Hayi.
It's funny because you'll find that there are one or two guys who are scrambling to go and manage him after this.
So andobona into ebengikhuluma ngawo ukuthi laphana ayisikusabe sifuku sabe singakhangelanga ukuthi brand lay sharp or something and sifuna udumo lo la kuthiwa yimi esemmanage
But this
uSkhosana.
is after esinike ibenga uSkhosana.
Skhosana will always give us bangers.
Ingoma yekhisimusi madoda.
Skhosana will always give us bangers. That's why I'm saying, let Skhosana sing and do whatever that is doing. Lavo uthathe manager
Capacity layo yini? Does he have capacity?
anle katale yakhe ingoma zakhe uyazibhalela. Phela mdala. Engelathi ujayela zijayela ingoma zakhe. Because the next thing and bazayi njenga Karesi if they're saying it's difficult to work with him and bazayenza thina siqalisa ukumzonda, but Skhosana is Skhosana. Let's be honest about that. He's just Skhosana there and angabuya le motivation yakhe ingoma yakhe and iyagcwala indawo yonke udlala ntete. There's nothing amazing but it's all over dlala ntete and so unjalo allows mnikeni studio time afike studio ahlabele ingoma yakhe.
Uyaphiwa studio time engela manager.
Akari wonke umuntu ole studio time lo manager.
Uyakumuza uSkhosana ukuthi ulahla njani speaker, uyacela usukhohliwe ivoice note liyana akayithumela liyane ivideo actually on Facebook. You forget uSkhosana uyalahla speaker.
But
He's like that. Ukhuluma njalo vele.
Unjalo,
So engabuya ngendlela akhuluma ngayo lana e-studio lapha eDep 3 afika athi generally akukhulume konke akukhulumayo ecela ukuze nini e-studio ungamnika wena.
But anti siyamazi Skhosana. Like
You
to
know
be
what?
fair, Skhosana siyamazi.
Siyamazi.
And
There's a
uSkhosana phela
difference.
ingoma zakhe azidingi mastering kakhulu. Sekwazi umrecorda ifoni.
There's a difference between knowing someone and tolerating them.
Yeah,
You
that's
know?
true. That's true.
Uyakwanisa uba mazi ukuthi umuntu lo uvela unje.
Yeah.
But angabuya kwenzela ulutho lawe ureact in some way.
Yeah.
And
But abahlani phileyo manje especially ama upcoming artists and phela usikhosana ngenye ichannel eshaphu yokuvuka ngayo
Exactly.
yebo
Yes.
nxa uhlakaniphile akuthethi bhasi lihambile estudio la khipha ibhenga yenu right wesukhaza ubhuko usukhaza
Your name is out
usigavela
there.
because ungakhangela uDecember it was only not only because I could see most of Black Diva performing ingoma leyana kuma shows and ma shows akakade wathola Khisimusi sedlele kwambani but usikhosana bengingamboni kakhulu so lami ngase ngithi mina ngabe ngiyahlabela mina abeze ngibhale yami ingoma mina lekehla hle ngikipe vele
Yeah, you know.
idume vele ingoma yami
Ukuhlakanipha.
sinqondo
Yes, yes.
kufanele lokomisa amamengo I'm telling you
Yes. And also Uskosana is not the only one who recently trended. Not the only Bulawayo celebrity who recently trended. We also saw CEO Bulawayo Chiefs trending for the wrong reasons, you know. And I think this guy umuntu nje othandwa ngabantu. And if also if you see if you follow the story, you check even on social media in all those places, you will see ukuthi guys, people are actually defending him as if he needs to be defended, you know.
yeah
Ukholapho bona khona ukuthi abantu nxa bekuthanda
abanqabe ukuthanda bakuthanda
abanandaba lokuthi uyenzeni
Yeah,
ngaphi lo bani.
yeah.
So you consider this guy, he's really liked, Uchavas, he's really liked by the people. Judging from ama comments and posts postwa ngabantu. And if you missed the story, Javas trended for
Hi, Bella, I missed the story. How?
So apparently there are some leaked chats and pictures, not videos, of which reveal which he was having an affair with a married in quotes woman. And indaba yakhona the husband now wants to be compensated. He wants to be paid.
Yeah.
Ufuna inhlawulo.
Yabona njengendoda I think you have defeated twice. Umemba lo karesu bamthatha 0.
But if we are using my personal perspective, Auntie, I don't think, well, based on the news and stuff, umuntu lo bengaso husband, baby dead.
The guy phela.
Yes. So ufuna ukubhadalwani?
That's what I'm saying phela ukuthi
Awukhiphanga next.
this guy is losing 2-0 because usezama umemba lo yasla lo uzama ukudulasa la uzamdinga imali via Javas. Yabona uzama ukuthi
Is
so
Javas not married?
I've never heard or seen umfazi kaJavas, so I don't know about that. Well, even if he's married and into is I find out about this story. Umchito ufuna imali and so mina my advice my brother dinga isipani bra.
Umuntu lo vele emazweni lo.
Ab-
Vele Poland. Vele emazweni lo.
Ziyakhala emazweni.
Yasitazula le.
Ziyakhala emazweni. Abafowethu bavuphenduka
So
ekhaya.
mina, I want to raise a question to the fans out there who are watching us today. God forbid, kungayenzakala kuwe, would you want to be compensated? Let's say uthathe umfazi njengakhona lokho. Athi kanje kula muntu othathwayo umuntu uyazihambela. Let's say umfazi ahambe komunye umuntu while she's still with you. Would you want to be compensated ngemali?
Ukuthi khona kunzima
What does it mean?
Anti kuke kwenzakala futhi la kuye uJavas.
If mana ngicacise ukukhuluma.
Alright.
If you are compensated, umfazi uyamchiya yini uyacontinue la nje obusubhadala?
Hayi nxa usucompensate anti sengimlobole sengihambe.
Sengubhadile.
Anti compensation ngeyokuthi amalobola ami engawakhiphayo alethe so umfazi sengowakho. So lapha wena usisiba ngubaba womfazi wakho.
Usuthatha
So good qaveli. Sizasifikile kwamasuku. Esothatha unkosikazi.
Oh, okay.
Lapha wesulobolisa lapha. Yazi baby niko
Ah, okay, now it
umjita
makes
karesu uyadliwa 2-0 kare.
Eish.
that is ziyakhala.
That is something else. And moving on to Intado Seyikhuluma. Whichever is always trending for
No, mina bengiresponda kwe-issue ye-conversation. Conversation.
yena wacompensatwa yini.
Well, I heard the story late, unfortunately, and I never did any follow-up on that story. So Umafoti tried to bring it up roast, if you remember, roast Ikamambazo, I think around November. So Umafoti tried to bring that up roast. We just let it slide. So Adi Services Hlonipa Umoy.
Okay.
So but mina ngingazi ukuthi mepengcenza ke
But
mbek situation enjani. Ukudelela ubani?
Ukukhuluma iqiniso ekudelela ngizwa sithi liyabe lihlonipha umuyi
Eh.
when it's something that is truthful.
No, anti liyana kwakuyindaba yomdeni la. Andi. So sasingangeni ndawo.
Okay.
Ngongazondaba phela ukuthi twa kula mabhime town lahlela izibi. Indaba yemuli. And it also I think also what made that one more sensitive is it involves a child.
Oh,
You
makes
understand?
sense. From that angle,
yeah,
yes.
It involves a child and singaqalisa ukufukwa wathi what are we saying about the child? And umna wakhe was there kusho sabe sesidelela kakhulu
Okay,
lapha.
okay.
So kuyafanana even with what this guy is doing. And so imagine wena ufunda lo mntwana kamama lwa.
Yeah.
Then ubaba wakhona yena lo eselikise ama charts.
Yeah.
So akule inamanye ama channels singayihambisa court icourt yasiforce yena ukuthi sifake ku news. Akula ma confidential what yini because I think ukasokuyikudinga udumo number 1 lokuzama ukudulasa imali lokufuna ukungcolisa ibizo.
I think if Javas or the woman in question wants to be paid, I think umthetho suvumela ukubophisa.
Yena lo malekisa ama charts
Yes.
because asiyali kuphambanisiwe kugangiwe nje but indlela yakhona yokwenza.
Ndoda umuntu bengekho kalobolanga, you are just a baby daddy, and from the looks of it I don't think he's a useful baby daddy.
Even useful baby dad ukuthumeza i-school fees akutsho ukuthi angizwe umqando. Abantwana usomngami baby dad. Asoze ngifeli i-school fees mina.
Let's move on.
Alright. Let's move on.
So
Karina.
let's move on to a serious issue guy because ngibona ngani udigressa kakhulu.
Sorry.
Abantwana sebesiba ngamasela.
Ish. Yeah, that was
Abantwana sebesiba
painful.
izigebenga.
That was painful.
Kathi, what really happened?
Nkulumane, yes, I think it's Nkulumane. It was actually on ZBC chronically. I think you can kumbula khona enJason like ZBC civil. I think kuze kwaba lama reporters that went to go and interview abazali babantwana and so on for those that were available.
thieves.
Abanye abazali bamasela. So abantwana labana from 11 years ngene emawindini betshontsha. And it seems like it was something that has been going on for a long time because I remember umunye umama esithi asake sazama ubakhuza. So umzali mayesisa sazama ubakhuza, it means uyakwazi ukuthi into yenziwa ngabantwana. So you remember also when we mentioned i-issue yokuthi abantwana besikolo babengana basakhuzeki and kulo muntu oyesithi amapholisa sicela sincedise amapholisa sithi asomsebenzi wethu ukuthi silincedise. But I don't want to carry ukucina sokufike ngawo into kwakhona. Umntwana uyakhula from ukuhlupha ama teacher agcine sengena ezindlini zabantu esejoin. So I think bebe baningi abantwana ba 20 something I think.
What?
Yeah.
That's a gang.
Yeah, bebe baningi sibili and bonke ngama juvenile under 18 from 11 years.
Sure.
And the Sulama series of housebreaking and whatnot bengena ezindlini beseyatshontsha and belama dangerous weapons but ama dangerous weapons wona lawa ekazi babe lensimbi landlani. So imagine bangathola
So
umuntu
angakufica elensimbi yakushaya ngayo phela.
angathola vele umuntu ozama ukuresista njengami ngingafa. because mina ngizade uthi umntwana ukubonana ungantshentshela mina uhlukipha
Kanti
ingqamu
banguleveni.
konkwazi
Sure.
so it's quite painful okunye I think it's issue yama absent parents well there's nothing that we can do about it because Karesi usugraduateile lapho umsebenzi owufundeleyo awukho so maybe sokumele uye Poland then abantwana sebesele bodwa akusela ama extended families we always talk about that ukuthi kuthiwa uanti kabakhangele akusela konke lokho so into yakho niyabe lokho ikhula and Karesi so yabususevalweni ukuthi umntwana lokho usakuthembi lokho okusidlulelayo egazi so awusakuthembi vele ukuthi lokho uyenqeyikho
And
ukutshontsha
abantwana bakwana into small. Imagine nxa uvuliwe indi vele
kuyakwana
uyakwana
kakwana sibe and so kungatshona kudlala eyadini kudlala labantu abakho kanti kuyamonita ukuthi nansa ilaptop
Kanti
sekudlala
kudlala
if side phakathi kwambana and like asathembani to that extent ukuthi even umntwana omncane senguguluva
kadlale ngibo.
thina sasitshontsha amamengo
So ngathi ukubona yathi ukuthi hambani ngidila.
suka vele Karesi awusakuthembi asakuthembi makhukho lapha ubone kubuthene so igethi nsubo mayibabo
Labona thina esakhula sithi ugogo lwani nomoya omubi. You be that person okuthiwa unomoya
mama
omubi.
lo moyo omubi so I think into le singayithatha lightly I think amapolisa especially victim friendly and not right and about watch and so on lathi nje abazala I think indaba yabantwana sifuna sibili i-attention enkulu anoni Karesi isikolo sivuliwe uzabona ama-fights abe senzakala phambi kwethu abadala
Yes.
but bamile mina into empower bemile bemelele ukuthi ngikone kubi ku-stop sign abantwana besilwa lapha hayi madoda
I think ngenye issue okumele ithathwe seriously.
seriously because like we said last year
Because these
which
kids
is becoming a pandemic
These kids are growing to become big criminals.
yeah
as they grow up.
because sele experience entweni le
Kuyabe kungasaphileki.
and imagine umntwana lona angaze maybe baboshwe let's say they are 17 baboshwe bahambe ku correctional services and i-advantage ukuthi abanye bafika ngale ba reform i-disadvantage ukuthi abanye bafika babe worse kuhle kube impilo yakhe vele ukuthi la ngapha kuyaphila because imagine afike ngale phakathi abe yibhuli akwanisa ukusurvive so sekwanisa ukusurvive phandle la phakathi akayisayesabi
Sebe simbona kukhulumani
but
FM.
thina sesithi ibizo lami mina ngiugift pan but mina Karesi ngiyesaba mina ngaze mbanjwe public drinking vele ngihle mbeke ukuthi le charge officer fee
Vele why every time why kuphuma ibizo elithi gift banda guys?
uyangitize shout out to the TikTok nguye osetrend so gift pan
Kwahle ngoba ngu-gift banda.
gift pan vele ungaboshwa vele ungift pan nguyangstize shout out my guy you do a great job but so scorruptile Karesi
Why did-
ungaboshwa awusayithiwa
Because
uli
why did
criminal
he choose the
ungift
word
pan
gift banda? Because we know there is a gift banda in Bulawayo.
ayisuye umdala
Siyakwazi ayisuye but so kumele afake i-disclaimer ukuthi
and the how
i-similarity yamabizo is purely coincidence. Because guys
so asazi abafana sasile 17 no gift pan
it's something else.
Yeah.
So talking about youngsters, the young generation of comedians, guys, is something else.
yeah
The young generation of comedians and content creators.
it's on point
It's actually something else, and it tells us that Bulawayo is going in the right direction.
yeah
And I'm actually looking forward. Unfortunately, I'm on a social media break until April, but coming back, I'm actually looking forward to seeing more content.
zakhala kaya
Ziyabuya.
Zakhala.
Yeah, bezibuya vele even last year bembona ukuthi hayi
zakhala
kunzima. So I think this if in your sector, if the older comedians are doing a SWOT analysis, they should take that into consideration as a threat and as an opportunity.
yeah two things mina kuphela my prayer is I hope kube le endurance I remember mina ngisesikolo kokusenzakala ama competitions awama high school drama And so sasinqa sikhangeleni so sithi uBulawayo ule 1000 ama-Thespian. But I think sasala singu-9 ku-generation yakhona. So ungakhangela, I just hope something just happens so that these guys don't fade out. And ngakhangela youngsters, I think, recently wrote A-level. Material Michaela wrote A-level as well. What's the name? There's the other one from Evelyn Senkotlibizo, like ama socials abo makhulu and but anti-charisma basasengabantwana impuphu yabo ikhona what and then the next thing ugcine maybe usungudoctor then usukhalala
ndoda ngeke kube ngudoctor uphinde ube yi-comedian.
kuyenza anya u-operator ngikhipha ama-jokes pancreas phuma
I was supposed to take you serious.
ngingakubopha ngerekeni.
And you make patient jokes on stage, and then I come to the hospital and expect you to treat me.
But it's possible. I think kuphela ukuthi i-content especially ngapha kakhulu and sesi-limited to khonokho njo.
I think you if you are in a professional field like uba doctor, you just have to know how to.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Ukuthi I was expecting ukuthi bona laba baku-A-level and they could have also given us content about schools and what like izinto ezenzakala esikolo. But well, I think kusaqala.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But ikona nje kancane, maybe
Yeah.
ukuthi it's not consumed.
Because I
as
know
much.
but kulama problem asesikolo and these are the best guys to address them in a comic way. Njengathi thina abadala anti kulama couple content and babe betshengisa into ezenzakala ezindlini in a comic way but for sure imali ziyacatsha. So lami ngitsho ukuthi ngabe they could have maybe discovered themselves and did more about school settings and
Okay.
ama-rivalry nasesikolo ama-teacher and what just give us an overview of what's happening in schools and a shortage yama-textbooks we can talk about that in a comic way and so that sikwanise ukuthi but lokhu yi-problem lokhu but lokhu yi-problem lokhu you understand but well I know ukuthi ikhona futhi enye generation kare esebhizi so ehlumayo so we have time.
Yeah,
And it's
so-
interesting actually.
So, guys, that is it from us today. The first episode of Enkundleni Exclusive in 2026. And before we close, guys, I just want to appreciate all of you that have been continuously supporting us and all of you that have been watching Enkundleni Exclusive and likomenta, lilaika, lishaudu Leslie, limthethisa. And also sharing the podcast with others. We want to take this opportunity to say thank you so much. We appreciate everything that you've been doing for us and with us. And also, si appreciate yona ngayo i-Deb 3 events ngokuthi ithi nonduduzo ncube lo General Leslie qhubekani lisenza umsebenzi omuhle enkundleni. They could have picked anyone else to say come and host Enkundleni Exclusive this year, but they said no, you guys have been doing great, please do continue with us. So we also want to say thank you very much to Deb 3 events.
Yeah, thank you very much to Deb 3 events and umnyaka usuqalile ama-creatives awaphumuli. 28 February we have got Aquila live eBulawayo Theatre, good music but even a Divas night. So I saw there's also Chichi the poet, I'm not sure who else is there, but it's Divas night, so I'll be a diva, you know. I'll be a diva and right. So we've got ama roast back to back, we've got the roasting on March, we've got the roasting on April, but iti angazi ukuthi amafuta bawathathanga. But March we've got the roast of Ukaya Pardon live at High Popular Pub and Drill. Ngo April 11 April we've got the roast ka David call that. Angazi ukuthi bazamroasta njani.
Bulawayo mayor.
Phela umdala kezwe isindebele so.
Awuyezwa
But ese roast so maybe I'm roasting eskiwa. Because yena uyakhuluma amabala angu4 eskiwa abantu bahle bafeyinte sokuthiwa uroste kakhulu
So
hawu
ufuna
urostile
ukutranslate,
umdala hayi
ufuna
urostile
ukutranslate.
so we've got i-roast mhla ka-24 March ekakhaya, we've got i-roast mhla ka-11 April eka-David Coltard. Well, uGeneral Leslie is back again ngama-one man show soon. Zalinika i-post hayi lingatatazeli, calm down, calm down. But well, this is what is happening around Bulawayo. Bulawayo is always busy, but like I said, Bagit Kares, let's just enjoy our mangoes.
Let's enjoy my mangoes. It's a
mangoes.
rainy season.
Yeah.
It's Salez Motor and
Yeah.
Royal Shine Car Wash.
Yes,
It's
yeah.
along 4th Street between Connaught and Masocha Avenue. Opening at 7 a.m. and closing at 6 p.m. every day. So izimota lazo ziyangcola. Lisidla amamengo lingcolisa izimota, izulu lisina. Do come and get your cars cleaned at Royal Shine Car Wash. And also izingwalo zesindebele by yours truly Nondudu Zoncube zikhona. Umhlaba ungihlanekele buchitheka bugayiwe. Isihlalo sikababa at $10 per copy. We deliver in town.
Yeah, let me deliver.
So from
Fire, it
Sithi,
delivers.
thank you so much for watching. See you again, same place next week.
Yes, thank you so much for watching. Tina Sesichapasi Skubeka City Happy Mango Month from Unondudu Zoncube, iTap 3 events crew behind the scenes lami mina uLeslie sithi salibona singalikhangela.